Welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute auto pairing. Okay, let's see what happens here. Totus. Try Sicilian. Maybe I'll try this for fun. Okay, might be getting some squares here. Maybe knight here to here is fun. Okay, there's knight d4. Possibly, this might be a good position. Just about. F4, is that any good? Liberates my bishop on c8. He'll get that e4 square. Maybe taking and then f4 gives me queen g5 and bishop h3. Why does it take on f4? So I've got bishop h3 and I've got queen g5 on the cards. Which first? Bishop h3. I've given up that e4 square though. Queen g5 doesn't really follow up with anything, so I'll try and take this. I think maybe bishop f5 to get rid of this knight soon, or here just immediately try and get rid of that knight. I wonder. Or king f7, b6, king f7. Could try it like this. I don't think it matters about losing the exchange. So rook h8 is coming up. Okay. There's queen d7. Try and keep pressure on d-file. Actually, h4, knight h4. I'm going to triple on this. That's a2. If I double the rooks here. Yes. Right. It's a bit passive for me. Bishop f8 maybe. Inviting knight f6. I'm going to take there and then bishop c5, just trying to get a lock on the dart squares at d4. Oh, there's queen h5. This is getting dangerous. Okay, rook h8, or yeah, it's pretty dangerous, this queen h5. Oh, that's not very nice.
Check.
Oh, there's bishop d5. He could win the queen. Get out of this. I think he could have just won the queen there. If I take on queen hasn't got any squares, so I thought maybe I should just take here. Is he going to give me 2 rooks for the queen? Yes, okay. Well, this could be dangerous with the rook a2 check, potentially. If I keep out of the checking lines. Or rook b3 here. Oh, yes. He's going to go for that pawn. Okay, I have to keep a lock and key on this pawn. Maybe with rook b4. So queen a2, rook b4, queen a5.
Check.
Right, I've got my pawn over here. I'm going to have to start using it. Oh, queen f6, it looks very dangerous indeed.
Check.
So, do I survive this? Oh, there's rook g2. There's rook g2 to win the... No. Okay, h2.
Check.
Hang on, isn't h1 just winning here? I think he might fluff this up. Yes, he's fluffed this up. Blimey. Oh, I don't know what happened there. I thought I was gone for. That was a crazy game. Here, black's okay here, believe it or not. I know that was very, very committal. He's provoked me to weaken e4 terribly.
Check.
He could have just taken on c5. Oh, the bishop takes c5 again. So b6, and apparently black would be okay. Taking on c5 all the time is recommended. Apparently I was okay here. And then, when did it all go terribly wrong? I took here. Yes. That, yes, I am giving up all my light squares. This is like reinforcing my king safety. So king g7, what does he do here? Yes, this looks much better. So he does this. Okay, taking there, it's possible. I think, yeah, I've just the light squares are killers. Not just over here, rook a6, yeah. This, yeah, the knight's actually shielding me in a way from that bishop controlling loads of squares. This structure is also an infiltration rank, as we just saw on a6. That a6 is marked out, so this is really bad.
Check.
I can't believe he didn't put this away. Strange decision there, but I'm still worse.
Check.
Actually, where was his +5 here? Queen a2. Queen a8. Yes.
Check.
Instead, he's given me some seemingly counterplay, last-ditch counterplay.
Check.
And that's a fatal mistake there. He should play king h1 and accept a draw, apparently.
Check. Check.
Yes, fun game. That's the fun of 5-minute chess. You can sometimes, get unexpected results like that. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.